welcome to St. Clair online classes. Every day we learn in IIT Chemistry in 7th class. What is first unit, children? 7th class. Basic terminology. Basic terminology. Three concepts over. First concept over, children. Terms in chemistry. Terms in chemistry we learned what is atom, what is element, what is molecule, what is compound, atomic city, mixer. Next, second concept what we learned children. Second concept, electropositive elements and electronegative elements. What is electropositive elements? If any element with lose of electron to get positive charge is called electropositive elements. Highly electropositive elements are metals. Next, what is electronegative elements? If gain of electron to get stable, that is called electronegative elements. Electronegative elements, highly electronegative elements are called non-metals. Next concept, valency. Valency, we have three definitions. First definition, the combining capacity of an element is called valency. What is examples of valency? Ammonia, methane, water. In methane combining capacity 4, so carbon valency 4, hydrogen valency 1. Next, ammonia. In ammonia, nitrogen valency 3, combining capacity 3, nitrogen valency 3, hydrogen valency 1. In water molecule, combining capacity 2, so oxygen valency 2, hydrogen valency 1. Next, second definition, what children? What is second definition of valency? What is second definition? The number of electrons lose or gain during the formation of chemical compound or compound is called valency. That is second definition. That time we learned some examples also. Sodium chloride. In sodium react with chlorine. Sodium metal, chlorine non-metal. Sodium valency plus 1, valency 1, chlorine valency also 1. Next example, magnesium oxide. In magnesium valency 2, oxygen valency also 2. Magnesium second group element, oxygen 6th group element. So 6th group non-metal valency 8 minus group number. So that's why 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, valency 2. Next, third example, aluminum trichloride. Aluminum third group element. What is valency? Group number are equal to valency. So aluminum third group element, that's why aluminum valency 3. Okay, next third definition of valency. Valence can be defined as the combination of number of hydrogen elements or number of chlorine elements or double the number of oxygen elements. In number of hydrogen elements, the valency 1 and sodium react with hydrogen. That time valency 1, sodium react with chlorine, valency 1. Double the number of oxygen elements mean Na2O. So oxygen which group element? 6 group element. So oxygen non-metal. 8 minus 6 mean 2. So valency 2, group number 6. Okay. So oxygen valency 2. That's why we will take double the number of oxygens Na2. Keep in your minds. So many children confused here only. Double the number of oxygens. So here oxygen valency 2. That one sodium valency 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1 2. That's why we will take double the number of oxygens. Keep in your mind Na2O. Here valency 1. Valency 1. Double the number of oxygens. Next, second example, what children? Magnesium. Magnesium react with hydrogen. That time valency MgH2, valency 2. MgCl2, valency 2. Valence of magnesium 2. Next one, double the number of oxygens. MgO. Here Mg metal. Here valency 2. Oxygen valency also 2. Metal. This is a metal. Second group element. Oxygen 6 group elements. So what is valence of non-metals? 8 minus group number. No, 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So double the number of oxygens here. Valency 2. Next, third example, aluminum hydride. AlH3 valency 3, AlCl3 valency 3. Next one, Al2O3. Keep in your mind this one. Al2O3. Here valency of aluminum 2 3 is 6. Here valency of oxygen 2 3 2 is 6. That's why both are equal. That's why valency. Keep in your mind. That is little bit confused is there. Double the number of oxygens. Okay. Next, three definitions over. Next, what we discuss? Variable valency. What is variable valency? Elements exhibit more than one valence is called variable valency. Next, variable valency of metals. Variable valency non-metals also we will learn yesterday class also. Okay, children. Now we are going to next concept. Oxidation numbers or states. Oxidation numbers are states. Oxidation number is defined as one of the number. Oxidation number defined as Number indicate oxidation state. One of the number oxidation states or oxidation number defined as number, which can the elements, the number of elements lose or gain or sharing of the electrons during the formation of compound is called oxidation state. And the definition is there, two definitions is there, oxidation state or number. Apparent charged ions, oxidation state can be defined as the apparent charge on an atom is a compound or ion. Apparent charged ions is called oxidation number. Apparent charged. For example, see sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, if lose of one electron, to get positive charge. If lose of one electron to get positive charge. For example, chlorine. In chlorine, to gain of one electron to get negative charge. So here oxidation number of sodium plus 1. Here oxidation number of chlorine minus 1. Specific here notice very important. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive values, negative values and zero values. Keep in your mind. Oxidation valence is only defined in charge. Don't define only how many electrons is present in notation. There is no consider in oxidation valence. But here oxidation number notation very important. Okay children, notation very important. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive, negative, zero. Keep in your mind. What is definition of oxidation number? Oxidation states or number? Oxidation number is defined as number which indicate the number of electrons lose or gain or share. Oxidation number is defined as oxidation number defined as one of number which indicate the number of electrons lose or gain or sharing of an atom during the formation of chemical compound. What is definition of the oxidation number? Oxidation state or number. Oxidation number is defined as number which indicate the number of electrons lose or gain or share of an atom during the formation of chemical compound. This is definition of the oxidation number. And the definition is there, Nana. Oxidation number defined as apparent charge of an atom. Oxidation number defined as apparent charge of an atom during the formation oxidation number. Apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. Apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. Keep in your mind simple definition. Oxidation number can be defined as apparent charge. Apparent charge means the number of electrons lose or gain or share of an atom during the formation of chemical compound. Okay, I will take one example. Okay, oxidation number can be expressed in positive value. Keep in your mind positive value, negative value and zero values. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive values, negative values and zero values also. If for example, if lose of electron to get which charge? Positive charge. That is number indicate positive value. If gain of electron, that time you form negative charge. That time you take negative value. If zero means that is stable, that time you will take zero value. If stable elements you take zero. If you sharing of electron to get stable, no, that's why you will take zero value. Do you understood what is oxidation number? The apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. Simple definition, keep in your mind. Apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. What is definition of the oxidation number? Oxidation number is defined as number. The number of electrons lose or gained or shared of an atom during the formation of chemical compound is called oxidation number. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive value, negative value and zero value. Next, what is simple definition of oxidation states? Apparent charge ions is called. Apparent charge ions is called. Apparent charge ions. Charged ions is apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. Keep in your mind simple definition. Apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. Apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive value, negative value and zero value. Now we have discussed one example. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is HCl. For here hydrogen metal, chlorine non-metal, metal react with the non-metal hydrogen. Here hydrogen to lose of one electron to get positive 1. Here 0. Okay. Next we take chlorine. If gain of one electron, here gain means positive, lose means negative. One electron to get -1. Here 0. No need. Hydrogen. If hydrogen to lose of one electron to get positive. If chlorine to gain of one electron to get negative. So here oxidation number of hydrogen equals to +1. Okay. Do you understand now? Oxidation number of hydrogen +1. What is very important in oxidation numbers? Keep in your mind. Next, oxidation number of chlorine. Here metals, chlorine non-metal. Now if gain of one electron to get negative. So your oxidation number of chlorine -1. Notice very important. What is oxidation number, Nana? The oxidation number can be defined as one of the number which indicate the number of electrons lose or gained or shared during the formation of chemical compound is called oxidation number. Number or state. Oxidation number, another definition. Apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. Apparent charge ions is called oxidation number. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive, negative, zero. Here we are discussed one example. Hydrogen. In hydrochloric acid, hydrogen oxidation number +1, chlorine oxidation number -1. Group number are equal to oxidation number. That's why we take plus 1. If given element non-metal, no, that's why you take minus. Keep in your mind. All metals are oxidation number plus 1. Or plus group according to group number. For example, first group elements, oxidation number plus 1. For example, second group elements, oxidation number plus 2. For example, third group elements, oxidation number plus 3. Next, fourth group onwards, non-metals, no. That's why we take 8 minus of valent, 8 minus group number. 8 minus group number not. Group number minus 8. In valency, we should take 8 minus group number. Now, oxidation state of non-metals, you take group number minus 8. For example, fourth group. Fourth group, which elements non-metals? For example, carbon. Carbon group number 4. Carbon group number okay. Carbon group number 4 minus 8. So 4 minus 8 minus 4. So carbon oxidation number minus 4. Do you understood, Nana? In first group, for example, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Those all elements are first group elements. So here valency 1, oxidation number plus 1. Valency 1, oxidation number plus 1. Valence of metals are equal to group number. Valence of non-metals are equal to 8 minus group number. But here oxidation numbers group number are equal to oxidation number. In group number are equal to metals oxidation number 1. First group oxidation number 1. Second group beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Those are the second group. No. Here oxidation number plus 2. Here oxidation number plus 1. If you will take any element, hydrogen oxidation number plus 1, lithium oxidation number plus 1, sodium oxidation number plus 1, potassium oxidation number plus 1, rubidium plus 1, cesium, francium. Every element we take no oxidation number plus 1. First group oxidation number plus 1. Keep in your mind. If you take any element in first group, oxidation number plus 1. Next, second group, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. If you take any example, oxidation number plus 2. So, group number are equal to oxidation number. So, if you take positive charge, only metal. In negative charge, non-metal. For example, carbon. Carbon after element, carbon, nitrogen. Nitrogen which group element? Fifth group element. So, nitrogen 5 minus 8. So, here minus 3. Oxidation number of nitrogen minus 3. Oxidation number of nitrogen minus 3. Which time you take 0 noble gases? What noble gases? So we have 6 noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Oxidation number 0. Keep in your mind. Stable group elements, oxidation number 0. In 0, last group elements, oxidation number 0. Next we discuss next example. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride means CCl4. Carbon tetrachloride. So here carbon tetrachloride. Here carbon oxidation number. Carbon oxidation number. Carbon oxidation number. Carbon oxidation number plus 4. Now we take metals. Carbon metal or non-metal? No, here plus. Here chlorine oxidation number. Okay, next example, carbon tetrachloride. Carbon metal react to chlorine non-metal. Here oxidation number of carbon plus 4. Oxidation number of each chlorine. Oxidation number of each chlorine. 1 chlorine minus 1. Here how many chlorines is there? 4 chlorines. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So first chlorine oxidation number minus 1. Next example, sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, oxidation number of sodium. In sodium chloride, oxidation number of sodium. Sodium which group element? If you see, very easily find. Sodium which group? First group. So oxidation number 1. Plus metal we take no plus. Non-metal chlorine which group element? 7th group element. 7 minus 8. Always find valence. Oxidation number Determination of oxidation numbers. Determination of oxidation numbers. We have 14 rules. We have 14 rules in oxidation number. How is defined? Determination of oxidation state. Determination of oxidation state or number. We have 14 rules now. Always find oxidation number. We have 14 rules. Now we are discuss now 40 first rule. Rule number 1. Very important. Listen properly and write notes now. Keep in your mind every point. Okay, rule number 1. Always find oxidation states. Follow some rules. You know 14 rules. Every compound given no. Easily find out what is oxidation number. This one like this. Okay. What is definition? Keep in your mind first. The occurrent charged ions is called oxidation number. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive, negative, 0. If you take metal, no, that's why you take positive value. If you take non-metal, no, that's why you take minus value. If you noble gases, no, that's why you take 0 value. Okay, here rule number 1. The sum of the oxidation number are equals to 0. Sum of the oxidation number of each element. Sum of the oxidation number of each element equal to 0. The sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. For example, potassium permanganate. KMnO4. Potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate. Okay. Sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. The sum of the oxidation number is equals to 0. Sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. Here K plus how many atoms present in given compound? 1, 2, 3. Potassium, manganese, oxygen. Sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. So here potassium, oxidation number of potassium, oxidation number of potassium. Next, oxidation number of manganese. Next, plus oxidation number of oxygen. Oxidation number of oxygen. Sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. So here oxidation number of potassium. In potassium, which group element, children? First group oxidation number 1. So potassium oxidation number 1. Oxidation number of potassium plus 1. Next, oxidation number of manganese plus 7. This is D block elements. This oxidation number plus 7. Next, plus oxidation number of oxygen. Oxygen which group element, children? 6th group element. So 6th group non-metal. How we take oxidation states? Group number -8. So 6 minus 8 minus 2. How many oxygens is there here? 4 oxygens. 4 into here 4 oxygens is there. 4 into oxidation number of oxygen. Before 4. So here plus 1. Here plus 7. 4 2s are minus 8. 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. This is first rule number 1. The sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. Sum of the oxidation number. How many atoms present in given molecule? Potassium, manganese, oxygen. Potassium permanganate. Oxidation number of potassium, oxidation number of manganese and oxidation number of oxygen. So oxidation number of potassium, you know, potassium which group element? First group element. That's why valency oxidation number potassium plus 1. Next oxidation number of manganese. Manganese one of the D block elements. So oxidation number plus 7. Keep in your mind manganese oxidation number plus 7. Next 4 here how many oxygens is there children? 4 oxygens. 4 into oxidation number of oxygen minus 2. Why? Because oxygen is non-metal. Now which group element? 8th group elements. So what is rule? Oxidation number group number minus 8. So group number minus 8 means which group element? Oxygen. 6 minus 8. So that's why minus 2. Oxidation number of oxygen minus 2. Here minus 2. 1 plus 1 plus 7 minus 8 plus 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Okay children? What we learned today? What is oxidation number? The apparent charged ions is called oxidation number. Apparent charged ions is called oxidation number. And the definition what children? Oxidation number can be defined as number. The number which indicate the number of electrons loose or gain or shared pair of electrons are shared during the formation of chemical compound is called oxidation state or number. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive, negative and 0 values. Oxidation number can be expressed in positive value, negative value and 0 value. Next one, what is examples? We learned examples. Hydrochloric acid. In hydrochloric acid, hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. In chlorine oxidation number minus 1. In next one, in sodium chloride, sodium oxidation number plus 1. In chlorine oxidation number minus 1. Next, determination of rules. What is first rule? Rule number 1. The sum of the oxidation number are equal to 0. What is examples of first rule? Potassium permanganate. Okay children? Read properly. Listen properly my class. Write down notes. Okay children? I will send some bits to do that bits. Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow.